So you need to change your filament on your 3D printer. This is the Ender 3, and so this is how you change the filament. First, you're gonna wanna open your filament. Rip that out of there. There you go. Get rid of the silica package out. All right, you're gonna get your filament unclipped. Oop, if I can hold on to it. Then the easiest way I found is to cut it at an angle. So if it would focus, you get the idea. All right. Next, flip it to where it's pointed downward. You're gonna turn your printer on. Then what you're gonna do, go down to your settings. You're going to go to change filament. You're going to go to preheat PLA. And then it's going to take a minute, but it's going to preheat the nozzle. That way it'll be easier for it to be pulled out. Otherwise, you're gonna struggle, to say the least. And this is just a beginner's guide to changing your filament. So as we're watching it preheat, we can go ahead and take the old spool off, set it to the side. We can go ahead and take our new filament and get it set up on the feed. So, should take about another 15 to 20 seconds for it to preheat. In the meantime, move your bed back, get it out of the way. And it's almost done. Probably about another 5 seconds or so. Again, this is just a basic tutorial on how to change your filament. Easiest way to do it I've found so far is you will need one of the tools that it came with. So an Allen wrench, something to where you can guide it in. Now it's pulling out. As you can see, let me refocus the camera. All right, so now you're gonna, pull it out of here. Come around here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. And grab it with one hand. Push that in. And then pull the filament. There we go. So the old filament is out. Now what we're gonna do, go up here, we're gonna find our end. But in the meantime, I have to get the tripod set up.